Hey everyone, AI Addy here. You won't hear this on mainstream news, but AI has already taken over Wall Street. It's running hedge funds, making billion-dollar trades, and controlling trillions in financial markets. But how did this happen? And more importantly, who's really in control? Because what's happening right now, it could change the financial system forever. Let me explain. AI in finance didn't start with fancy machine learning algorithms or ChatGPT-powered trading bots. It started in the 1980s with basic computer models and rule-based systems. Banks were desperate to automate their decision-making, so they built primitive AI models that followed strict rules. One of the first major AI applications? Fraud detection. In 1987, Security Pacific National Bank started using AI to analyze credit card transactions and flag suspicious activity. And here's what's crazy. It worked. By the early 90s, AI was stopping millions of dollars in fraudulent transactions every year. But then, the real game changer happened. Wall Street figured out they could use AI to make money. By the late 90s, hedge funds started experimenting with AI-driven trading strategies. And if you're wondering how that turned out, just look at Renaissance Technologies. This is the hedge fund that cracked the AI trading code. Using machine learning models, they built a system that could predict stock movements better than human traders. And the results? Their flagship fund, Medallion, has averaged a 66% annual return since 1988. To put that into perspective, if you had invested $1,000 in Medallion in 1988, you'd have over $22 million today. That's how powerful AI became in finance. It stopped being just a risk management tool. It became a money printing machine. Fast forward to the 2000s, and AI was running the show. By this point, hedge funds weren't just using AI to trade stocks. They were using it to predict economic downturns, analyze global markets, and even read breaking news to make instant investment decisions. And here's where things get terrifying, because AI wasn't just helping human traders anymore. It was replacing them. At firms like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, AI was making trades faster than any human ever could. We're talking about high-frequency trading, where AI executes trades in milliseconds, reacting to price changes before humans even realize what's happening. At its peak, high-frequency trading made up over 70% of the entire stock market. At this point, AI wasn't just a tool, it was the market. Every buy, every sell, every price change, AI dictated it all. And if AI made a mistake, the entire financial system could collapse in seconds. This isn't just speculation, it's already happened. In 2010, an AI-driven trading algorithm misread market conditions, erasing nearly $1 trillion in minutes before rebounding. The scariest part? To this day, nobody fully understands what triggered it. Now, here's where this gets insane. Imagine this happening on an even bigger scale. AI misreads a market event, executes trillions in trades in seconds, and sends the global economy into freefall. No human can stop it, because by the time we realize what's happening, it's already too late. And today, AI is more powerful, more widespread, and more deeply integrated into finance than ever before. So the real question is, are we in control of AI, or is AI in control of us? But here's where it gets even crazier, because AI isn't just trading stocks anymore. It's making life-altering decisions, loan approvals, hiring, even mortgage rates. AI judges you based on hidden data points you'll never see. AI doesn't just look at your credit score anymore. It scans your social media. It tracks your spending habits. It analyzes your location data to determine how financially responsible you are. And you'll never know what it's seeing or why it's judging you. That means an AI model could deny you a loan because it thinks your spending habits look too risky. Or worse, it could reject you because of who you associate with, what news you read, or even the words you post online. And here's the worst part. You can't argue with it. Because even the people who build these AI systems don't fully understand how they make decisions. This is what's known as the black box problem, where AI makes life-changing financial decisions that no human can explain. And that should scare you. But if you think that's bad, just wait. Because AI isn't just deciding your financial future in the shadows, it's also manipulating financial markets in real time. Remember high-frequency trading? The one that caused the 2010 flash crash and erased $1 trillion in minutes? That was over a decade ago. Today's AI is light years ahead, tracking everything from breaking news to CEO facial expressions before the public even knows what's happening. And by the time you hear about a financial event, AI has already made its move, shifting billions of dollars in seconds, before you even had a chance. And here's where it gets terrifying. AI is now reacting to global events before they even happen. How? Because hedge funds and financial institutions are now using predictive AI models that analyze everything, from satellite images of shipping containers to real-time flight path data to changes in CEO facial expressions during earnings calls. You heard that right. AI is now reading people's faces to detect emotions and predict market reactions before they even speak. And that's not even the worst part, because these AI models aren't just reacting to markets anymore. They're battling each other. Hedge funds deploy AI to outsmart rivals, racing for milliseconds of advantage in a multi-trillion-dollar chess game. And what happens when these AI systems start making decisions that humans don't understand? We have no way of stopping them. Because AI isn't just making trades, it's also influencing government policy. Central banks use AI to predict recessions, set interest rates, and control markets. But what happens when AI starts playing both sides? What happens when AI-driven financial models begin playing the economy like a chessboard? At what point do we lose control? And are we already there? So, let's take a step back. Right now, AI is controlling markets, approving loans, making investment decisions, and even shaping government policies. But how much control is too much? At what point do we wake up and realize we're no longer in control of our own financial system? And more importantly, what happens when AI makes a mistake that we can't fix? So now, we have a choice to make. Will AI make finance smarter, safer, and more efficient? Or will it become the biggest economic risk we've ever faced? Drop a comment below, and please, smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss what happens next. Because trust me, this is just the beginning. Until next time, this is AI Addy, signing off.